Chloe friends, today it's raining, but today I'm going to be doing arts and crafts. I got my paint, and I got my glitter paint. I got all different types of brushes. I got my water to wash out all my paints. Today I'm using paper plates, and I'm gonna be painting them. This is what you can do when you have nothing else to do when it's raining. And ask your mum and dad to set up all the paints. I'm gonna need this color. I'm gonna do some little tiny detailing touches. Use your imagination and be really creative. Just putting some golden around. It's nice and pretty. You wanna try? You have paint? Come on, get them out. Get Mommy and Daddy to help. Oh, look what I made. Get your Mom and Dad to join in to make it more fun. Oh, cool, look what my daddy did. It's a sunset. Whoa, Chloe friends. This is the beach. My daddy painted it. I'm needing golden glitter. What I created with my imagination. What are you painting? Okay, Chloe friends. Hope you're having fun. Bye for now.